Every single day, thousands of offshore power plants use huge amounts of gas to produce the electrical power needed on board the world's oil and gas installations. This is far from sustainable. And to meet the climate goals set by the UN in 2015's Paris Agreement, the Norwegian oil and gas industry has set an ambitious target to reduce their emissions by 40% within 2030. Many new greenfields have already been or are planned to be electrified. Still, there are a lot of old platforms and rigs that annually burn billions of cubic meters of gas to generate the more than 15 terawatt hours of electricity needed to power platforms and rigs. As a global leading expert on offshore living quarters, Leirvik wants to contribute to the green shift together with the oil and gas industry. Although living quarters are not the primary energy consumers offshore, they still pose a significant potential for improved energy efficiency and reduced emissions. To harvest this potential, we have developed Connected LQ. The concept outlines the many possibilities in using wireless sensors and smart technology to bring down energy and water consumption, as well as maintenance costs by monitoring energy consumers and critical maintenance areas.
When we talk about utilizing smart technology to improve energy efficiency, today's living quarters are in a way technical dinosaurs compared to modern buildings. With the green shift, the incentives are here, making every energy savings and optimal operations worth consideration. This also applies to installations powered from land or by hybrid solutions.
Leirvik's Connected LQ concept provides opportunities for a variety of smart functionalities that increase control and save energy and costs. For example, remote and automated light and temperature control, including sleep mode. Automated cabin switch on when users check in at onshore heliports. Monitoring of housekeeping necessities. Identification and early warning of leaks in service shafts, drains, mixer taps, toilet cisterns, etc. Continuous barrier control with simplified reporting to authorities.
Leaks in toilet system may appear as trivial problems, but through a year such small leaks can constitute a significant volume of freshwater waste. Keep in mind that the freshwater must be made from seawater using electricity, contributing to increased energy consumption and emission.
Developing the Connected LQ concept, we have calculated energy and water consumption, as well as possible environmental and economic savings from better LQ monitoring and management. Here's 2 examples. For cabin heating alone, a typical living quarter with 150 cabins requires more than 650,000 kilowatt hours each year. For all LQs on the Norwegian continental shelf, this amounts to more than 30 million kilowatt hours. With Connected LQ, calculations show possible energy savings of more than 30% just from cabin heating. To produce the more than 500 million litres of fresh water needed for the cabins in all NCS LQs, 11 million kilowatt hours of energy is required annually. With water leakage detection, both on hot and cold water, energy savings can be significant. Connected LQ also provides several practical benefits in day-to-day operations. Having up-to-date information available at all times on a user-friendly dashboard gives an instant overview of current energy and water consumption, which cabins can be shut down, maintenance issues, statistics. The solution can also generate reports, reducing the need for manual operations and eliminating a huge number of man-hours. Connected LQ is a highly scalable concept, allowing clients to expand the most basic monitoring into a more comprehensive coverage at a later stage, all the way from manned platforms to remote-controlled, unmanned platforms. The concept is also planned as a standalone system, without any integration with SAS or other critical systems on board. See the benefits for your operations. You are welcome to join us in our effort to make oil and gas installations more sustainable, cost-effective and safer. Together, we can pilot the first version of the Connected LQ, tailored to your company's requirements.